guys, and welcome back to RGTV. Today I want to show you guys a really cool trick and a way that you can vacuum seal your jarred goods or your dry goods in jars. And what this is an attachment for your vacuum sealer that will seal your mason jars. And they come in wide mouth jars and also in regular mouth jars. So I have some clear gel here. And generally you really can't vacuum seal powders. It can cause problems with the hose sucking up the powder into your machine. But I'm going to show you a little trick. I just have a cupcake liner that I invert, and I'm going to press down into my jar. Okay, and you're just going to press that in. And then you're just going to make sure that your seal does not have it, or that your the rim of your jar does not have any powder. We're going to take our lid, and you want to make sure that everything's clean that you're using here. And we're going to place that onto our jar, and we're going to place the vacuum sealer attachment straight on. Now this is a food saver attachment. However, and it comes with a hose, I have a Ziploc system food sealer, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so you're just going to attach one end of the hose into your vacuum seal machine and then one into your attachment. I'm going to close my machine and I'm going to turn it on. You'll know it's done because the machine will actually turn off. So we're going to wait for that. And did you hear it pop in there? I'm not sure if you caught that, but there it goes. We're going to remove the attachment hose, and we're going to lift this off, and we should have a seal. And you can see that there's a little powder on top. I'm not really too concerned with that. You can just wipe that off, and you can either label the lid, which is fine. I do that, and then sometimes I just label the bottom of the jar as well. This, you can place an oxygen absorber in here and it may keep a little longer, but this will last on your shelf pretty much indefinitely. So give it a try, guys. These hoses and attachments work with other machines, so don't be afraid to get it and check it out. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and as always, we'll see you next time.